It's a Doc McStuffins magical moment from Disney Junior. Doc's cool new toy is actually a cool old toy, but Bessie's flying skills are a bit rusty.
Just relax, sugar.
Okay, all done. Aha! Now I see what's slowing you down. You're an older toy and probably haven't been played with for a while, so you've got rust in your joints. I have a diagnosis.
This'll be a historic entry in the Big Book of Boo-Boos.
You and your plane have a case of acute rusty atrophy.
Will I ever fly again, Doc? Or am I headed for the old rusty toy heap?
Not if I can help it. No, you need a big heap of cuddles. We're gonna get you and your plane all better. All we need to do is clean up your rusty parts.
That's it? Modern times are the bee's knees and the cat's pajamas all rolled up into one.
Cats in pajamas? Funny. But where do their tails go?
I'm gonna need some help from a rust specialist. My dad!
Okay, the rust is off, but you gotta move them around so the solution really ggets into their joints.
Thanks, Dad. Tess, I think you and Queenie are cleared for takeoff.
Whoopee!
Think you're ready to show us some stunts?
Woo! You better believe it! Oh, it feels so good to be in shape and up in the air again! I feel better, so much better. Thank you, Doc, for taking all the ouches away. Didn't feel so good till you fixed me like I knew that you would. And I feel better, so much better now.
That was
Outstanding!
After Doc's diagnosis and Dad's help, Bessie was flying high again. Even Doc needs help from a grown-up sometimes. Keep watching for another magical moment, and you can see Doc McStuffins on Disney Junior.